a table. Tip 1. In tables, there's always information across the top and information down the side. The information across the top is always analysed in relation to information down the side. So the introduction to this table could be, this table clearly highlights favourite pastimes in a number of European and Asian countries. The pastimes are analysed in relation to a number of nationalities, such as English, French and Chinese. The introduction for Table 2 could be, this table clearly highlights the age of individuals in Jacksonville when they first started gambling. The percentage of persons in 1980 and 1990 are analysed in relation to age groups from 10 to 40 years. Tip 2. Take a moment to analyse the table and, if possible, try to group together sections that are the same or similar. For example, in this table, the USA, Canada and Australia can be grouped together. Also, Korea and China could be combined. Then we could say, as we can see from the table, the percentage of people watching TV in the USA, Australia and Canada is approximately 60%. In these three countries, hobbies are also popular. Interestingly, the percentage of people who like reading is quite low at approximately 15%. Tip 3. Not every part of a table needs to be mentioned, especially if it's a large table containing lots of information. Just bring out points of interest. Tip 4. When analysing a table, you'll need to compare different features or components of it. So you'll need to use comparing words or phrases. The accompanying notes have many of these phrases for you to learn. Tip 5. To conclude, make a very general comment on one or two items that stand out. For example, finally, it's interesting to note that TV is the most popular pastime in all countries except China. This situation may change in the future as China becomes more capitalistic. Tip 6. Notice when giving an opinion, we use words like may. This indicates that the statement made is only an opinion, not a fact. Please check in your notes for further useful words or phrases to use when giving opinions. Besides graphs and tables, you may also be asked to analyse a chart or diagram. You'll find a number of these in your notes. Please study them carefully and answer the accompanying comprehension questions. These questions have been designed to help you focus on the language you'll need to complete this task.